I just came across the OEDRO all-season floor mats for my wife's Honda Odyssey, and they instantly replaced the original Honda mats. Want to know why? Stick around. With 2 kids, 2 dogs, and an active lifestyle, messes are just part of life. Muddy boots, wet paws, spilled snacks, you name it. The OEDRO all-season floor mats have been a great addition to our 2023 Honda Odyssey, especially as we gear up for the messy winter season and upcoming skiing trips. Unboxing the mats was quick and hassle-free, and installing them couldn't have been easier. I started with the trunk tray. It's got high walls that do an amazing job containing spills and dirt, which is perfect for our on-the-go lifestyle. The second and third rows are fully covered, and securing the second row attachments was so simple, it felt like they practically installed themselves. The real standout is the front row. Unlike the OEM mats, the OEDRO ones offer extended coverage under the driver's pedals and footrests, those spots that always seem to collect the most dirt and grime. Cleanup is effortless too. Just pop them out and rinse them with a hose. And here's the best part. These mats cost much less than genuine Honda ones, making them a no-brainer upgrade. OEDRO offers mats for a variety of vehicles, so they've got you covered no matter what you drive. Ready to upgrade? Check current prices using the Amazon link below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews and tips.